as you can see, we have 3 new card kits. They are called Glitter and Gilded card kits. We have butterflies, bouquets, and botanicals, and they each have similar items. You can see right here, 123 pieces, 155, and 155. That's a really nice value. And let's do one by one. So we'll start with the butterflies. And the reason that they're called Glitter and Gilded, let me get this straight. So here is the gold sheet, and you can see that this is printed on a gold metallic cardstock. Then we have a silver metallic cardstock. How pretty. And then we printed them on glitter cardstock. So you get that sheen, and how pretty is that? So it's the same design on all 3. Now, to make this easy, we have added papers. So there are 5 papers. You can see the green, and they're an all-over pattern because these are the focal of your cards. We've got a blue, and we've got a black and white, and a yellow, and then we have a ton of greetings. In this case, it is 41 cutout greetings in a gray background and in a black, and then a couple that are blank so that you can add anything you want to. You can computer journal, you can stamp, you can use dazzles, whatever you want. But hopefully that's a lot of variety for you. Now on the back of the package, because this is hot off the press, oh wait, there's something else in here. I just forgot. We have some dazzles. Now this happens to be fancy border dazzles, and there are, in this one, 31 of them. These are in the gold, and as I said, these are hot off the press, so you're going to get ideas on the back, and I thought it'd be nice just to show them to you. So here is with the glitter butterfly, and here is with the silver butterfly, and here is with the gold butterfly. You can see how well the dazzles play and the papers play with it. Now, you can cut these out. In fact, on the front of it, it says they're cutouts or die cuts. Now, what does that mean? Well, we've designed these so that you can use our cutting dies. We have, let me just show you one of the sheets. I'll pull out the glitter one. So we have circles and ovals that fit from our circle and oval cutting dies. We have the arch that is also comes from the cutting dies, and we have the labels to hold your greetings, and that's all of these. So you can simply cut these out as you like with scissors, or if you're not a fan of fussy cutting, use the dies. Just put them on, put the low tack tape, and run them through your die cutting machine, and you will get perfect finished results. And that's exactly what our designers did as they were creating these cards. So this is the first set. This is Butterflies Glitter and Gilded card kit.